Alright, we're going to make an NTP server and a router, and the NTP server is going to update the router. So let's click on router first, and let's put a router up here. And then I'm going to put a switch up here, and then I'm going to put a server here. So let me click on the server. I'll click on NTP, and it's currently off. I'm going to click on. Now my NTP server is on. It thinks that today is March 8th, 2018. That's good. Now the next thing I'm going to do is give this guy an address. 10.1.1.2. I'll give him that address. And that's the mask. Now let's close this up now. So he's good to go. Let's go over here to the router. And let's give the router an address. So I click on the CLI. Scooch on down to here. No. Key in EN conf T. And then let's key in int gigabit 0/0. I'm going to give it an IP address of 10.1.1.1 and a subnet mask of 255.0.0.0. I'm going to tell it no shutdown, no shut, and we're good to go. Let me exit out of here. Once and twice. And I'm back to my privileged exec mode prompt. Next thing I want to do is key in show clock. Show clock. And my router thinks it is Monday, March 1, 1993. He's a little bit out of date. He needs to be synced up with my NTP server, who has the right date. You mean he's not synced up now? That's right, he's not synced up now. If I key in show NTP status, I'm going to see that the clock is unsynchronized. Well, we're just going to have to remedy that. I'm going to tell the system, go into configuration mode, conf T, and that my NTP server is going to be 10.1.1.2. And I hit enter. Alright, that's good. So once again, my router thinks it is March 1st, 1993. Let's change all that now. I'm going to link these guys up. This guy, the NTP server, is going to update this guy with the time. So let's link them up. And I'll use a straight through cable. Fast Ethernet. Fast Ethernet 01. And one more time. Fast Ethernet 02 to Gigabit Ethernet 00. Alright. Notice they're green, green in the middle, orange, orange. They're not talking yet. They're not ready. They're going to turn green in a moment. Make it a little bit easier to see. I think that's a little easier. Just give them a second. Oh, one is turned green now. The other one will turn green in a moment. When it does, that means they can communicate. This guy will update this guy. The server will update the router too. Okay, there it is. They're both now green. Let's click on this fella. And once again, we looked at this before. We didn't show clock, and it was Monday, March 1, 1993. But they've updated now, I do believe. Let's find out what time it thinks it is now. Let's exit out of here. And let's key in show clock. And there we go. It thinks that today is Thursday, March 8th, 2018, and it is. So, this server has updated this router with the time. And that's how you set up an NTP server with Packet Tracer. This is George Ball. Please share and rate this video, and good luck.